Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about a couple of cool things I had an opportunity to check out while I was at Pepcom at CES 2019. The first is the EVOTYPE, the second one is the Flexpai. This is TK and this is XDA TV. So the first thing that caught my eye at Pepcom was the EVOTYPE by Tech21. This is an NFC-powered keyboard case, and they were demoing it on the Pixel 3 XL. The uniqueness of the design is very nice. There's no additional power. You don't have to worry about powering the case itself. When you're not using it, you fold it, you put it away, and the case actually functions as a folio case. You open it up, you access your phone, you close it again, and it works just that. And when you need a keyboard, you fold it out, and it starts working just as quick. The keyboard itself, again, as I mentioned to you guys, was demoed on the Pixel 3 XL, and they're promising other devices support later in the year. Definitely one of the really nice, cool features to check out at CES. The second thing I had an opportunity to check out was the Flexpai. Now, the Flexpai is a foldable 7.8-inch display. It's a device, obviously. It's hopefully going to be running the Snapdragon 855. It's going to have 6 to 8 gigs of RAM. It's going to run two cameras, a 16 and a 20 megapixels. But the main feature, of course, of this device is the flexing capabilities. It actually goes from flat all the way down to basically almost like a teardrop shape if you look at it. But it works really good. There's some magnets in the back to hold it back when you're using it in that form factor, and the UI is designed to work around the flexibility of this device. Now, do I want to say that this is definitely ready to be used right now as a daily driver? I probably would say this is technically a proof of concept right now for me, because the technology and the form factor is a little bit not ready for prime time. The fact that it flexes, it looks really good. The flexing actually is very rigid. The price point is still a little bit too high. It's way above $1,000, and availability is really limited in certain markets as well as to developers. So as far as getting a chance to play with it, I think this was definitely very cool to check out what the technology has to offer, and makes me very, very interested to see what the new foldable display that Samsung's going to be putting out, and hopefully we'll have an opportunity to check out for you guys at Unpacked in February. Other than that, let me know in the comments below, what are some of the things that you guys have heard or have seen about the CES 2019 that just excited you so much that you feel like you should be able to share that with us here in the comments. Like and subscribe as usual. Thank you very much for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.